Hello, Cub Scouts, and welcome back to another episode of Gardening with Mr. Nick. Some of you may be wondering where you can get seeds. Well, as you have seen, there are many ways to plant. Sometimes you don't even need seeds. Sometimes you can just take the item you want to grow and stick it in the dirt. If it has roots on it, that might work. Sometimes you can just take a piece of what you want to grow and stick it in the dirt. If it has roots, maybe that's better. Maybe it will grow, maybe it will not. Sometimes you can plant the entire thing in the ground. That works with potatoes and garlic. Sometimes you can find seeds inside the thing you're going to eat. Apples have seeds, tomatoes have seeds, cucumbers have seeds, watermelons have seeds. Lots and lots and lots of things have seeds. That is what we're going to show you right now. I have right here a piece of zucchini, and you can actually see those little light yellow roundy thingies. Those are seeds. So what you can do is you can take a piece of zucchini just like this, and you can rip it open and expose all the seeds. And then, I bet you can't guess what'll happen next. Then, you find some dirt, and you stick it in the dirt. This has been Gardening with Mr. Nick. Go out and plant something.